Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all some shit, right? So, remember, this how you simulate. I'm gonna show you how to simulate something that you purchased already. And if like it's after hour, you can't see, and you want to know where it's priced at, whatever you were priced at, how much it might be. So now you go to your symbol down here. So bam, you go to this symbol right here, go to your position, and you click it, bam. So this already the chart for it right here, bam. So your drawing gonna come up on your list, see? And like simulated returns, right here, simulated returns. So my position right here, but this for today, 7:05. I got 4 of them. I didn't buy it at 7. This was what it was when it closed Friday. So it's a bad joint in a way. Because if you look over here, average, I bought it at $17 for 4. So, alright, you go to it, so you go on it, you click it. This on Robinhood Legend, that's how you do it. You go ahead and this gonna come up, you put 4. Then you go to the price you bought it for. Right here, you put 17. Alright, so now that's when you come here now. Come back over here. I'm gonna show you why it's 17. See, mark price 6. Average price 17. Average price what you bought it for. Mark price is what it is when the market closed Friday. So now you go here, bam. Then you click simulate. Simulates returns. So it's gonna come up. Bam, your delta, gamma, theta, virga, your vega and everything. So it'll show you right where you at, how much it is at the moment. That'd be 205.88. But mind you, that's right now though. That's right now time. So that's down here. That's right now though. So still you gotta, it's 29%, but it can go up and down from here. But see, if I'm looking at here, I already had 3 lines from when I bought it on Friday. So I bought it down here somewhere. I believe up here though by mistake. But it went to this purple line down here that I wanted to go to. That was my low point where I should have actually went in. But I think I went in around here. So this where the midpoint where it kept bouncing and stopping. And this was the high point. So that's why I put that right there. Bounce right there as well. So see if I can slide down. Over down here. That's where it jumped at again before. Where it dipped down, then jump back up, and then jump back over that. So that's how I be tracking it. Sometimes you gotta fade back. You got to. You don't fade back and see where, the low points and the highs, you ain't gonna really get what you need. So that's why I'm scrolling down here. It closed the market 6 or a little bit after. So like I said, I had jumped to that spot. I'm like, oh, but what it do? Jump right back down. This in the after hour Friday. But 8 o'clock Sunday. Huss. So that's what we riding on right now and everything. Mind you, when you're doing this, You still see it, mind you. Still simulate going up. Still showing you what it is. So that's how you break that joint down, figure out where you need to get in, pull out, and how to simulate your returns, even if the market closed.